Hello guys, welcome to Megalight YouTube channel, and for today's video I want to compare all the different phones when they inside the Camon 18 series. The first one are the Camon 18i, then the Camon 18, the Camon 18p and the Camon 18 Premier. Of course, the most important differences between these phones are their prices. Camon 18 Premier sell for 180,000 naira, while Camon 18p sell for 125,000 naira. Camon 18 sell for 100,000 naira and the Camon 18i sell for 88,000 naira. The packaging box when them dey, all of them get the same design, and inside the box now the same accessories now follow them come, and they arrange all of them in the same order. The difference what you fit notice be say Camon 18 Premier and the 18p get different types of chargers. 18p chargers they big pass the Camon 18 and 18i own. That one are because those two chargers na 33 watt fast charger and the other two na 18 watt chargers. If you look the design for the body, na almost the same thing. Na color na be the main difference for here. The speaker, charging port, microphone, audio jack, SIM house and volume buttons dey the same place. If you press their buttons, they feel almost the same way, but I dey more comfortable with the Camon 18 Premier and the 18i own. The reason is because they feel more comfortable when you press their button for the corner of the phone. Camon 18 and 18p buttons not to come out from the phone. So to press the button, you go need to apply a little more pressure before it go fit work well for you. Still on the body of the phone, now only Camon 18 Premier get microphone for top. Top of the other phones just dey empty. As for the fingerprint sensor, now only Camon 18i carry am for back. The other three phones get their fingerprint sensors for the power button for the right corner of the phone. And the last difference between these phones na their front camera. Only Camon 18i carry front camera for top right of the phone. The other three phones get their camera for the middle top of the phone. All the phones get the same battery capacity, 5000 mAh, except for Camon 18 Premier with 4750 mAh battery capacity. And all of them too they support 4G network and they run on Android 11. But their pull down notification settings they different. Only Camon 18i now no get this upgrade of the notification when they more beautiful and elegant. So I just dey wonder, you don't already subscribe to my channel? If you never already subscribe, abeg push that button now. Ma teach you how to push am now, push am. You know the work. Push am well, push that button now. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and tell me what you think about am too. But you even know the main differences between these four phones for the 18 series. No be actually these things when I don't talk. These things they minor and they're not really dey enough to fit differentiate between these phones. So if you want to talk about the main differences between the Camon 18 Premier, the Camon 18p, the Camon 18 and the Camon 18i, then would they mention something like their camera quality, their processor, their display performance and their overall general performance. So as for their storage capacity, Tecno Camon 18i and Tecno Camon 18 come with 128GB ROM with 4GB RAM, and the two get the same storage capacity. Then as for Tecno Camon 18p, it gets 128GB ROM with 8GB RAM. Now just the RAM difference from 4 to 8GB RAM. And then as for Tecno Camon 18 Premier, when you get the highest of all of them, get 256GB ROM with 8GB RAM. And now make them get the highest storage capacity among the four phones when they inside the Camon 18 series. As for their processors, both the Tecno Camon 18 Premier and the Tecno Camon 18p they run on the latest MTK processor, which is Helio G96 processor. Helio G88 processor for Tecno Camon 18 and Helio G85 processor for Camon 18i. Since these two phones they use the most recent processor or the most improved processor, then we expect say they will get better performance compared to the other two phones, which is Camon 18 and Camon 18i. It means both the speed and the overall performance of the phone go dey smooth and flawless when you compare them with the other two phones. These two phones too get 120Hz refresh rate, and if you compare them with the other two phones, they get 90Hz refresh rate. For the screen to operate smooth and for the screen to respond to touch or any action when you ask the screen to perform, it go dey 2 times faster than the other two phones, which is Camon 18i and Camon 18. And that one bring me to the last test when it be say me run for these phones. Now about the camera again, well, I will just throw away this phone. This Camon 18 Premier take the whole glory and prove superior to the other phones. The flying bird when you dey see for the screen now, na the perfect example of how strong the camera of the Camon 18 Premier be. You know, say I zoom this video of this bird when they fly a little far away from me, and the camera still kind of managed to retain a clarity. Now compare them with the same camera of the other phones when they inside this Camon 18 series. Although the bird not dey fly for these other videos just like this Camon 18 Premier own, but if you use the mask when they inside the video to tell how clear this 18 Premier really dey when you compare them with the other cameras. The zooming power of the 18 Premier camera is strong and it no dey shake too. So I run the zooming test for all these phones. I pick my location, which is about 7 electric poles away from me, and then I can focus their camera on the object when I want. Here you go notice how strong the 18 Premier camera be. The 18p camera dey close, but it dey shake as I zoom far, so it dey a bit hard for me to focus the camera on the object. As for the 18 and the 18i, the camera not even come close enough to the object. So if you dey talk about the cameras of this phone, just know say the 18 Premier not be mate with the other phones when they inside this series. So, about 1 month ago, I do the review and unboxing of the Tecno Camon 18i, and then later I can do another video of 3 reasons when will make you not waste your money on that Tecno Camon 18i. If you want to watch those videos, abeg click those videos one already they show for top of this video now, or go the description section of this video to find the link to those videos too. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and tell me what you think for the comment section. See you for my next video.